Enter your year of birth and choose the first song. Instagram chain story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to do this viral trend right here. So keep on watching. First of all, we have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen and search for my account, which is Alien John YTT. And then from my page, you have to go to trending at highlights. Don't go to my story because that will expire in just a few hours, so you may not find it there. But if you go to trending at highlights, you will find it. So click until you find the desired sticker. And here, as you can see, I only have viral trends, viral stickers, so you can check these two if you want. So there we have it, it's the last one. From here you have to click on the add yours button, and if you're not able to click on the add yours button, then you can go ahead and check the first pinned comment where I already put a link to a video which shows you what to do if you're not able to click on the add yours button. So from here you can go to your uploads and choose a background photo. I will go with this one. You can choose a photo with you if you like. You can place your sticker where you want. And now let's go to stickers from the top of the screen and go to music. And here you have to enter your year of birth. Click on the first song that pops up. Click on done from the right top corner and place the song where you want. So once you're happy with your story, you just have to share it with your friends. Click on the Your Story button from the left bottom corner, and that's it. So yeah guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.